Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn and we are going to discuss on how to file taxes here on H&R Block. But since we cannot really access the actual tool due to some restrictions of our region, so still we are going to discuss the important things that you need to know. Okay, so what is H&R Block? So this is just very simple. It is a tax preparation software plus service. So it will help people file their income taxes online or with experts, and mostly used in countries like the US, region locked in many cases. Okay, so H&R Block is basically a platform that helps you calculate and file your taxes step by step. Okay, so instead of filing complicated forms, it asks you simple questions like: do you have a job? Do you have kids? Or do you own a house? Then it automatically fills the tax forms behind the scenes. So you do not manually compute taxes, it does it for you. Okay, so to find the website, you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for H&R Block. Okay, H&R Block. That's right. And then you would be able to see this website. So just simply tap on this one. Okay, and then you will be directed to the section. Now, if you tap on this file my own taxes, okay, so you have this start for free option, and then here are the plans that you can subscribe. So we have the free online, the less premium, and the self-employed. So if you are new to this tool, so you can actually start with the free online. Okay, and then all you have to do is to create your account. Okay, so you just have to sign into your account, but since our mobile number doesn't work here because we're from the Philippines, so we cannot really use the actual tool. Okay, so for the business services, so we have here for small business taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, and business information. So let's go to the payroll. All right. So here, as you can see, you can find this schedule a free consultation. You can get your own dedicated payroll manager at an affordable rate with flexible month-to-month plans. Okay, so you have that the plans is right here. So we have the basic, the plus, and then the premium. So you just have to choose your option. Okay, now um, it walks users through the process like conversations. Okay, so HNR actually is a beginner friendly tool. Okay, it has an automatic calculations again. So it calculates the taxes owed, the refunds, it reduces the errors, of course, and yeah, the document import. So users can actually upload W2 forms. Okay, so users can upload W2 forms and then previous tax returns. So it actually saves time. And you can chat with a tax expert. So you can find the work with a tax pro right here. So simply tap on it, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. So you can also let a professional review or file your tax for you. So, how do you want to get started with your tax pro? So, one on one in an office, from home, or drop off files at an office. So, for example, this is our choice from home. So, get expert tax filing help online from anywhere. So, you don't need to go to a specific site for this one. And then tap on the next option. And then, filing taxes virtually couldn't be easier. So you can create a My Block account to work with a tax pro, provide some info about yourself so they know how best to help you, and you need to add your ID and tax documents, including an income document, and then connect with your tax pro and let them handle the rest. And then tap on the next option. Okay, so you just have to fill out the form and then put the necessary information you need. Okay, so again, you have to sign into your account, and if you don't have an account yet, you just have to create an account. Okay, so there are three steps. So, first, you have to create your account, you have to verify your email, the email that you use, and you have to verify your phone number. Okay, so it has a multi device access, so you can work on your phone, on your laptop, and on your browser. So pricing structure, this one is very important. So the H&R Black has different plans based on the complexity. So again, okay, so let me show you it to you again. That's right. So for the free versions for simple taxes, so basic income only. But for paid plans, for example, deluxe, more deductions for the premium, investments, complex access, self-employed, that would be business taxes. So not everyone qualifies for free. So only simple tax cases. So there are five types of users. So the first one is beginners. So this one is a guided system. That's right. And next one is for employees. So this one is simple tax filing, and for freelancers, more advanced plans, and for business owners, highest tier. Okay, so you have those right here. So for the business services, we have the financial products as well. Okay, so let's go to the small business taxes so you can see the pricing. Okay, so we have $250 and $120. Okay, so there are three main ways on how I can use the H&R Block. First, the online. So this one is the most common, like what we are using right now. So we can use browser or application. We also have the downloadable software that could be installed on your PC and with a tax professional. So this one is online or in-person help. Okay, so for the limitations of this tool, um, for example, the region restricted, so mostly available in the US. So currently, I am from the Philippines. That is why I cannot really sign up for an account because I cannot verify my phone number. Okay, so the free version as well is limited, and the complex taxes required paid plans. Okay, and based on US tax systems, so IRS forms, and if you're outside supported countries, you might not be able to sign up or log in. So even without access, you can create an account, log in, but you cannot verify your phone number. You can answer personal plus income questions, upload tax documents, review calculated taxes refund, submit electronically. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.